Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. Today we are making one of my subscribers' requests, a classic delicious no-bake treat, and is banana pudding. This banana pudding is loaded with some banana slices, some whipped cream, and also some cookies. Before we start, if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. And now if you're ready to learn how to make this classic and delicious banana pudding, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our classic banana pudding, we're gonna need 2 cups of whole milk, 14 ounces of condensed milk, 5 ounces of instant pudding, 3 to 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 teaspoons of real vanilla extract, 1 box of Nia wafer, and of course for our banana pudding we're gonna need 6 bananas. Yeah. Okay, so to start we're gonna make our delicious pudding. So we're gonna start by putting our 2 cups of whole milk in our large bowl, along with our 14 ounces of condensed milk, yeah, right in our bowl. Okay, so our milk is cold and also our condensed milk is sweet. After we add our milk and condensed milk, we're gonna now add our package of instant pudding. So we're gonna add all in, just like that. Okay, now we have all our ingredients here for our pudding. Now we're gonna take our whisk and go ahead and whisk it. We're gonna whisk until everything is well combined. Okay, we have our pudding ready to go, so we're gonna put it in the fridge to let it set up for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go. We have our pudding resting in the fridge, so now it's time to work on our whipped cream. For our whipped cream, we're gonna use 4 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna put that in our bowl right here, along with 3 tablespoons of sugar, yeah, right in our bowl, and 2 teaspoons of real vanilla extract. So we're gonna add in our 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. And to make our whipped cream, we're gonna use our stand mixer and also the whisk attachment. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. It works perfectly, or you can also whip it by hand. We're gonna whip it until we get a silk peak. So let's go ahead and whip it. Okay, so we have here our whipped cream ready. We're gonna set it aside and work on our bananas. Okay, so I have my pudding coaster chilling, and also I have my whipped cream chilling as well. So now it's time to work on our bananas. So I have here about 6 bananas, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel them. Okay, so the reason why I didn't cut my banana earlier is because I didn't want them to turn brown. So I cut them last just because I want them to stay fresh. So here in my bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bananas. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it like small pieces, like coins. Small coins. Let's go ahead and cut our bananas. Here we have our pudding coaster set and ready to go, and also we have our whipped cream ready to go as well. So what we're gonna do, we're going to split our whipped cream in half, just like that, because at the end we're gonna add some of the whipped cream as topping on top of our banana pudding. So you're gonna add about a little bit over half. There we go. And then with your spatula, you're gonna go ahead and fold it in. You want to be gentle, you don't want to overwork your whipped cream. So you're gonna just go ahead and hold it like this and fold it in until everything is nicely combined. Okay, I have here my pudding coaster and my whipped cream well combined. I'm gonna set it right here. And I also have my banana nicely cut And I have my Nia wafers ready to go. So now it's time to assemble. So I'm gonna bring in my truffle dish. Yeah, in this dish, this is where we're gonna put everything. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna add our wafers right at the bottom. We're going to create one layer of wafers at the bottom. And now we're gonna add some of the coaster right above it. So, just like that, right on top of it. Do not overcrowd it, just a little bit. And then we just go ahead and spread it to make sure it's even. There we go. And then after we spread it nicely, we're gonna go ahead and add another layer of cookies. So we're gonna keep adding some more. And also at the same time, we're gonna add some around the bowl. We're gonna also add some right there, just like that, for a nice presentation. Just right there. And then this time, we're gonna also go ahead and add a layer of banana, just right above the cookies. So we're gonna grab some bananas, some sliced bananas, and go ahead and drop them in to form a very nice layer of banana right above it. Okay, so after we add our cookies and bananas, we're gonna go ahead and add another layer of pudding right above it. And we're gonna also make sure we spread it to make sure they're all even. So we're gonna smooth this out to cover the whole thing. Okay, so after we add our coaster, it's time to add another layer of cookies and bananas. Let's go ahead and line them up. And then we got some bananas right on top. Yeah, more bananas, more bananas. And this time I'm gonna go ahead and line some bananas around the corner. Just like that, for a nice presentation. We're gonna add more coaster. And then we're gonna go ahead and smooth it up. And then we're gonna add one more layer of cookie. Put that around here, the corner. There we go. We're gonna put some in the middle. And we're gonna add also more banana on top. And then we're gonna add the remaining coaster above this. Yeah, we're gonna smooth it up. Make sure it's nicely even. Okay, so the final step, we're gonna go ahead and add the remaining whipped cream right above it. Smooth it up. So we top it with our remaining whipped cream, just like that, beautifully. And to finish up, we're gonna add some crumble wafers, just like that, like nicely crumble right above it. And I can just stick some few cookies in it, just like that, as well as few pieces of banana on top. Wow, our banana pudding is ready. So now it's time to go for the tasting. Wow, this banana pudding tastes so amazing. It's so silky, smooth. I can take the whipped cream and also the pudding coaster, put this banana pudding to another level. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. So we have here our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And also if you're new on my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss anything. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace.